2025 Sand Sport Super Show, Costa Mesa, California, and we came across this one-of-a-kind, very unique, custom 2025 Can-Am Defender Limited. This has our long travel kit on it. It has our front bumper on it, all custom color matched to the plastics. I mean, the combination of these colors really just blows this thing out of the world. It's got our level 5 audio roof, and they put their own twist on things. And that's what we really like to see from our dealers, from our customers. When they come in, they buy our product and they put their own twist on it. So y'all take a look on the inside of that thing. The attention to detail on this thing, like, I gotta take my glasses off. Let's start just with the interior. The seat deck on every little piece and compartment of this, all of the custom seating with the ostrich. This thing is beautiful. One of my favorite builds here at the show. They came in with the plexiglass roofing. It's got their logos all into it, and this is also color coded to match the entire machine. Now let's go to the back, because you know they say business in the front, party in the back. Let me just show you why. Rear bumper, we'll start right there. Then we'll drop down to our long travel arms on the back here with our customizable frame stiffener. Really unique how they tied all of this together, and it just looks good. There's sometimes people, you know, do colors and it's just like, man, this one stands out and it definitely catches your eye. Up in the bed, they did the weight towers. I really like how they did that. I also love the sea decking in the bed. Easy cleanup, especially if you're in the sand, if you're in the dunes, something like that. Winch headache rack in the back. Overall, this entire machine this thing is sexy. And if you know me, this is my passion. I love everything in the industry, everything that has to do with off-road, and this by far is probably one of my top 5 favorite builds that I've seen. American Forces gives it that chrome look. It just really all ties together. So thanks 589 Customs. This build right here, y'all understood the assignment and you knocked this one out of the park.